Hi dear friends, today we are back with a new video.
Today we are going to talk about the Ecovacs Deebot OZMO 950 value pack and the microfiber cleaning cloth.
So this is the mopping pad. It has 3 mopping pads. It works in Deebot OZMO 950 and 920 models. So now we are going to unbox this. So it cost 999 rupees and we got it from Amazon.
So now we are going to unbox this Deebot Buddy Accessories value pack. This has 4 side brushes, 1 main roller brush and 3 sets of HEPA filters. Let's open it. This is the main roller brush. And here are the side brushes. And these are the 3 sets of HEPA filters.
So now we are going to show you how to replace the accessories.
Can you pass me the filter?
Of course. Now can you please replace the mopping pad?
Yes, of course.
Take. So now we are going to replace the side brushes. We are going to replace one green one and one red one. Now we are going to replace it. So Ayush, can you please show the audience how to replace the main brush?
Yes.
There.
In the next video, we are going to talk about the long-term review of the Ecovacs Deebot OZMO 950.